गाइस, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं अभी ये सिचुएशन में द तमिलनाडु टूरिज्म एंड फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट हैज़ डन अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब. First of all, we have an emergency vehicle, so we have an ambulance in hand if anybody requires any rescue or rehabilitation. So that's a great response. We have a big machine, we have other mobile freezers, so there's great support by the Tamil Nadu government. And Jai Hind, hashtag India, I must say, and hashtag Tamil Nadu tourism. The forest department is doing their best. They are trying to keep everybody safe, and they're ensuring that only their officials take care of getting this tree off the way. So we are hoping for the best. और बाकी देखते हैं क्या होता है. अभी कुछ नहीं कह सकते, अच्छी खासी लाइन है. So I think by the time we reach Wellington it will be 6 p.m. or even later. Until then everybody is hoping to enjoy the wadis, and that's what's going on.